Hi everyone, I'm back and now I'm going to show you how to make the mango jello. In order to make the mango mousse, we need a layer of mango jello. So here are the ingredients. This is mango puree, it is 200 grams, sugar 30 grams, cold water 35 grams, unflavored gelatin 5 grams, and cornstarch 5 grams. First, we're going to bloom the gelatin in the cold water and let it sit for a couple of minutes, again like 5 to 10 minutes. Then we are going to mix the mango, sugar and cornstarch together and let them sit on the heat for 5 to 10 minutes until they start to simmer. Adding the sugar and the cornstarch. Okay, we need a medium heat, so stir it until you have an even mixture and just let it sit for a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna let this like simmer. I just want to tell you that we need a 6-inch ring here. This is a color which is gonna be sit inside the ring, so we can pour the mango jello inside. And we need a sheet pan, just we can put the ring on it and then put the whole thing into the freezer. Okay, the mixture has been simmering for about 4 to 5 minutes now. I'm going to turn off the heat right now and add the gelatin. Mix the gelatin with the mixture until it is dissolved. The gelatin is now dissolved and incorporated into the mixture, so I'm going to pour it into the ring. I have put an aluminium foil underneath so it can be easy to peel it off. You can fold the foil so there won't be any leakages or any mixtures coming out from the sides of the ring. I am now going to put the ring inside the freezer for an hour.